Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite hairstyles. It's so bohemian and cute, which obviously that makes me love it. So stay tuned to figure out what it is. So before we get into the tutorial, be sure to hit the like button for us. We appreciate it so much and it really does help us. So go ahead and hit it for us and let's do the tutorial. As you can see, my hair is a little bit curled, but it does not have to be curled. You can do it straight or wavy, whatever. It doesn't really matter. And then I'm just gonna leave it parted on the side and then start off by taking, I'm gonna leave out a little around my face and then I'm gonna take just a small section of hair, probably about 1 inch wide, and I'm just gonna do a little 3-strand braid down it. I'm just gonna put a bobby pin through that and then pull it out and loosen it up just a little bit. And it's a really tiny braid, so you don't have to be too worried about it. We just don't want it to be unseen. So I have my braid done and I have it flattened out a little bit, and then I'm going to do another braid just behind it. So I'm gonna leave a couple inches in between my braids. I'm just gonna pull a little section a little bit underneath some hair, and then I'm just gonna do another 3-strand braid all the way down. Okay, so now I have 2 braids on this side. I'm just gonna put 1 small braid on my other side, and then we're gonna do a cute little half up, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I have braids in. I have 2 on this side and then 1 on this side, and now I'm just gonna do a little half up. So I'm gonna leave some out in the front because we want it to be really loose and bohemian looking. And then I'm just going to pull some on this side too, and then make sure that my braids are visible. Okay, and now I'm just gonna secure it with a little clear elastic, and I'm going to actually make it into a little bun, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, together in the back, and then I'm gonna pull it through 1 time, and then half a time, pull it out. I'm gonna take this and just wrap it around to create a really loose, messy bun. And then I'm just gonna loosen that bun up more, and then we're gonna do 1 more braid. So underneath, I'm gonna pull some hair, and then we're just gonna do another 3-string braid. And that is all. This style is so easy. You can do it in under 5 minutes, and it's so cute. It's the perfect little bohemian hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love this tutorial, so if you try it, let us know. Also, if you have any tutorial recommendations, leave them below. We love hearing your feedback and all of your suggestions, so leave us some ideas. Thanks guys, bye.